President Trump just had a pretty significant win in his election interference RICO case in Georgia. The judge just threw out 3 of the 13 charges he's facing. Now, it's important to understand Judge McAfee did not throw out the entire case against the former president. He just removed 3 of the charges for Trump and 3 other charges his co-defendants are facing. Now, Trump is still facing 10 charges in this case. Judge McAfee issued this 9-page order today saying Trump will not have to face one of the charges related to that phone call we heard of him asking Georgia's Secretary of State to find the votes he needs to overturn his loss in that state. Trump will also not have to face one of the charges related to another phone call he made to a Georgia lawmaker asking him to convene a special session of the state's legislature to reverse then-candidate Joe Biden's victory in that state. And the third charge Trump will not have to face is one related to a letter he sent to Georgia's Secretary of State in September of 2021 asking him to overturn the election results and announce the true winner. The judge says he's throwing out these particular charges on a technicality. His order says the district attorney's indictment charging Trump and the co-defendants with solicitation of violation of oath by a public officer does not specifically detail how those oaths were violated, and without that information, the defendants cannot properly prepare a defense. So they are improper and they cannot be included in the indictment. Now, it's really important to also understand the RICO charges, the racketeering charges, still stand for Trump and his co-defendants. Plus, the judge also left the door open for District Attorney Fani Willis to refile these charges against Trump and the others if she gives more specifics about the oath violations, or she has the option of just simply appealing this ruling. Lastly, I want to mention this very same judge will issue a ruling before the end of this week on whether or not District Attorney Fani Willis will be disqualified from prosecuting this case over her romantic relationship with the prosecutor. Now, if you want to read Judge McAfee's ruling from today, I will email it out to you tonight in my News Girl News Roundup email, so make sure you sign yourself up.